Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the seed stitch. The seed stitch is a great beginner stitch because it's a really easy repeating pattern and so easy to remember. So this stitch is also called the lemon peel stitch because it's gained multiple names over the years. So to start this stitch you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 2 plus 1 plus 1 for your turning chain.
So to start the seed stitch, we're going to be making a single crochet in the second chain from our hook, and this is our first stitch of the row. So I'm just going to pop a stitch marker into there, and then we're going to make a double crochet in the next stitch, then single crochet in the next, and double crochet in the next stitch. So this is a really nice easy repeat. It's single crochet, double crochet all the way until the end of your row, and you're just repeating those 2 stitches. So the last stitch of the row is going to be the same stitch that you started the row with. So our row started with a single crochet, and so we're going to end the row with a single crochet. And that's row 1. So row 2 we're going to turn, chain 1 and make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch. So we're going to be alternating in rows. If you started the previous row with a single crochet, you'll start the next row with a double crochet. And so you're always going to be working the opposite stitch to what was in the row below. So after our double, we're going to make a single crochet, which will go into a double crochet of the row below, and then make a double crochet in the next stitch. So we're making the same repeats, it's just that our stitches are the other way around. Okay, and you continue that across the row. So double crochet, then single crochet, then double crochet and single crochet. And just like in row 1, the stitch that you start the row with is the same stitch that you end the row with. So we started with a double crochet and we end with a double crochet. That's row 2. Row 3, we're going to turn, chain 1, and because we started the last row with a double crochet, we start row 3 with a single crochet. So your odd numbered rows start with a single crochet, your even numbered rows start with a double crochet, and we're going to continue as the same before. It's the same repeat. We just made a single crochet, so next stitch is a double crochet, and that's being made into the single crochet in the row below, and our next stitch is a single crochet which is made in the double crochet of the row below, and continue that repeat across the row. So we're going to end this row with the same stitch that we started the row with, which was a single crochet. So get to the end of the row and make a single crochet in the last stitch. Go, and that's how you make the seed stitch. So to continue, you're going to be repeating rows 2 and 3.
And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the seed stitch. I would love to see what you make with this crochet stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbed and Stitch. The link is beneath the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, crochet hints and tips and free patterns as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.